Hello my dear children, I welcome you all in this art video. Today's topic is save water. Children, water is very important for us. We cannot live without water. Saving water helps to preserve our environment. So, it is our duty to save water. Children, we will use shape to make this poster design. So let's begin. Children, draw one semicircle like this. For the drawing of semicircle, you can use any old bangle or box cap or any bottle cap. Okay children? Now, draw two lines for tab with the help of ruler like this. Again you have to draw two lines like this. Now you will join one cut line like this. Now children, we will draw clouds. For this, you know how to write 3. So only we have to join this 3 together to form a cloud. Alright children? Now drops. Now we will draw drops like this. Now children, drawing is complete. Now we will add detailing. इसमें थोड़ा हम लोग detailing करेंगे. Slowly you will draw this design. Clear children? Now we will fill color. Here I am using sky blue color. Okay children? So this way you have to fill color. Very slowly you will fill color like this. So children, this way you will fill light blue color for the water. Alright. Now next step, we will fill brown color like this in this part. Okay children? Slowly you will fill color. Clear? Now in this tab, I am going to fill pink color. Okay? If you want to use any other color, you can use. You can use your favorite color. Okay children? Very slowly you will fill color like this. Alright? Now, in this part, I am going to fill brown color. Okay children? very slowly you will fill color like this. Clear, children? Now again take blue color and fill blue color like this in this droplets. Clear? This way you will fill blue color. Now for the clouds, which color we will fill? Yes, sky blue color. Slowly you will fill color this way. Okay, children? Now do the outlining with sky blue color sketch pen like this. Children, if you don't have a sketch pen, you can use your crayons color. Okay, children. So, drawing is complete. And today's topic is saved water. Okay, children? Children, if you want to change the design or you want to add more things in drawing, you can add. So that's all for today. Hope you all have understood and enjoyed this simple drawing. Thank you, children.